These women were helping to support them out of their own means. Luke chapter 8, verse 3.
Welcome to today's encouragement from Our Daily Bread. The Unnamed Women was written and read by Elisa Morgan.
Luke chapter 8, verses 1 through 3. After this, Jesus traveled about from one town and village to another, proclaiming the good news of the kingdom of God. The 12 were with him, and also some women who had been cured of evil spirits and diseases. Mary, called Magdalene, from whom 7 demons had come out, Joanna, the wife of Chuza, the manager of Herod's household, Susanna, and many others. These women were helping to support them out of their own means. The Unnamed Women. After wiping down tables with disinfectant, Sheila stooped to tie a garbage bag filled with used cups and plates. She heaved the bag over her shoulder and turned to survey the church's multi-purpose room. She had volunteered to clean it for the next gathering and wanted to make sure it was ready. A thought fluttered through her mind. Would anyone notice? It's easy to wonder if our everyday contributions to the kingdom are valued. Whether we clean, balance spreadsheets, lead a Bible study, or give money, so many of us remain unseen in our places of service and unnamed in public commendations. In Luke chapter 8, verses 1 through 2, the historian catalogs the faithful service of women in the ministry of Jesus. He lists 3 by name from among the women freed of evil spirits and diseases: Mary of Magdalene, Joanna, the wife of Chuza, who managed Herod's household, and Susanna. Then Luke says, many others were helping to support Jesus and his disciples out of their own means. Luke spotlights these unnamed women who invested themselves in supporting the gospel and so underlines their value. Just as God includes unnamed women in his account of valuable contributions to his kingdom, he sees our efforts, he knows our names, and he sees our investment in his work. Let's pray. Lord, help us serve faithfully, even when our efforts go unnoticed by others. Remind us that you see every act of love and dedication, and that in your eyes, our contributions to your kingdom are precious and honored. It's in Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. When have you felt overlooked and undervalued? How does knowing that God included unnamed women in his catalog of contributions encourage you?
Abelaw belwala things, abelaw belwala mur, kardiso arara things, ramrangil abelaw. Omusubam la otilk mo, ar adal mum kamang taklangar til, aditil gibel kal, along aringira beka klabsay. Digi karel kal, along aringim, digi karel kalir. Yak mangaru ndiral malolim bringi, kloral malolim bringi rabeka klabsay, mum kamang taklangar til. At sugum ka smell sukal, ka high blood. Bol kloral omolim bringi rabeka klabsay. Agirnir kau, o spera kloralm, el momi am kikyong ra al sela patangem. Moli maralm, en komotiak langar kau, esob aklagirnir kau.
In today's digital world, is your business truly secure? A single data breach can erase years of hard work and trust. Don't leave your digital assets vulnerable. This is where Guardian Cyber steps in. As a service-disabled veteran and Palauan-owned small business, we bring discipline, integrity, and excellence to cybersecurity. We partner with you to meet your regulatory or corporate obligations, safeguarding your critical data. At Guardian Cyber, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all. We start by assessing your current data protection posture to recommend tailored solutions that fit your specific business goals and, just as importantly, your budget. Our core competencies include everything from governance, risk, and compliance consulting to incident response and penetration testing. We even specialize in PEP and high-value individual cyber defense. Guardian Cyber is committed to one simple principle: your success is our success.
We are a Palauan-owned business and a responsible member of Palau Pledge, dedicated to environmental conservation through more efficient computing and cybersecurity solutions.
Protect your business, secure your future. To schedule your assessment, call on WhatsApp 680-770-8779 or email at Guardian Cyber. That's Guardian, CYBER19 @gmail.com. This is a Republic of Palau Ministry of Finance public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Chief of Property and Supply Division is soliciting proposals from interested businesses or companies to supply desktop computers for the ROP. Specifications for the needed items will be available after March 6, 2026. Interested businesses or companies may contact Ms. Charnel D. Sumang, Chief of Property and Supply Division, at the following address: Property and Supply Division, P.O. Box 6007, Koror, Palau 96940. Phone 680-767-2552. Fax 680-767-1016, or email at charnels@palaugov.org. This is 100% funded by U.S. Federal Grant P26 TRANSF1. Invitation for bid number IFB 11-26. Public notice is February 20th, 2026 through March 6th, 2026. Bidding period is March 7th, 2026 to April 7th, 2026. Opening date will commence April 8th, 2026. Proposals or tenders may be submitted to the Property and Supply Division at the Bureau of National Treasury no later than 4 p.m. Palau time on April 7th, 2026, which is the closing date of this IFB. The IFB number as well as the company name must be clearly marked on the outside of the envelope. The procurement officer reserves the right to extend the opening date of said IFB, modify or cancel this notice, and reject non-conforming offers if it is deemed necessary.
Kadebel subda ko dal lol tobdinya adal bayray may race yung may adal bayra tablang chanson ngiray lilda remerang okas April iadra almadu Ismail Agon Vaisarel Augustino Blailes Obarusong Teruot Yokay Reire Erdimao Osiar Spis Ginamdalabay Harry Besebs Odal Raybay Harrington Olabu iadra apsang Stephen Ganay Matakliw Salvador Ramokot El Morarowil Admam Rabab Mayoldabal mo ang algilatargi Radil Moay Simeng Agon Matobias F. Agon Ratchanis Agon Adelbay Amlos Meersera February 20, 2026 Emlamoterok lon mga meldira March 14, 2026 rangar along. Mokomdi momdengay eminira klol subda. Kompmal mesulang signed Adelbay Raymay Reisyung May.
This is a Republic of Palau Ministry of Finance, Property and Supply Division public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Chief of Property and Supply Division is soliciting proposals from interested businesses or companies to supply 2 each drug detection devices for the ROP. Specifications for the needed items will be available after March 9th, 2026. Interested businesses or companies may contact Ms. Chanel D. Sumang, Chief of Property and Supply Division, at the following address: Property and Supply Division, P.O. Box 6007, Koror, Palau 96940. Phone number 680-767-2552. Fax 680-767-1016 or email charnels@palaugov.org. This is 100% funded by local fund. Invitation for bid number IFB 12-26. Public notice is from February 23, 2026 to March 9th, 2026. Bidding period is March 10th, 2026 to April 10th, 2026. Opening date will commence April 13th, 2026. Proposals or tenders must be submitted to Property and Supply Division at the Bureau of National Treasury no later than 4 p.m. Palau time on April 10th, 2026, which is the closing date of this IFB. The IFB number as well as the company name must be clearly marked on the outside of the envelope. The procurement officer reserves the right to extend the opening date of said IFB, modify or cancel this notice, and reject non-conforming offers if it is deemed necessary.
Subdra kamaldile label sel aribok. Tia subdra kamaldile or todringa budurale Robert Tuti, budul okadati itong, ubade Valentino Clolad, ngina yobe abaelu ngira trerda, adelbelu Damian Nibelas, ma evira le Maria Rur, el morarogul adri ragayu kul madaspadal, el kmotargid label sel aribok, ngalgel aribok maumay, amlos mersela February 19, 2026. Nabadangin nga namor gem la motrok kul mornga kamaldile ra March 6, 2026 el Friday. Akamaldila di morngina Santos Porha Chapel ngarangat kibrairay lomo ura 9 a.m. el motor 30 p.m. Ito bodol mamadakro olgul rangar kabasang. Mangayang aleng spadala ang grugor Jose Yao mo subdar at marngal gemim nakaing siurtir albula. Ngora longeng spadala adalbaray may arasyong may adalbara tablang chanson ngiraylil da ebiray may rorwa arurang tilmoyway si meng akwan ebira tablang felistabasebsa mo subdar adat marngal gemil girel tir albula. Ang dirikal spada lang yang rimir masubdar ad marangal Ruat Paulinas Kang Marmarangel Henry Ewatla Maribal Ewatla Chan Ewatla masubdar ad marangal gemim nakaing seu Obak Lorenzo Ngirambolao Machustina and Tomas masubdar ad marangal gemim nakaing seu dirikal spada labadura barak al Florencio Yamada maebira barak Valentina Arturo Harpers Kang masubdar ad marangal gemim nakaing seu diram tawi warang ulit Felix Targong Inglor Sway Julia Sugi masubdar ad marangal gemim nakaing seu tel bulo dirikal spada lang ilo itolok microngula ngila rega bet chakrongula adra club da hitorngula Mary Irey Nancy Rungul Marmaringel mosubrangal gemim dali mertel bula dire spada la deskim tuti ma Iris tuti Oteo tuti Miranda tuti Maloyola di sangapau mosubrar ad marangal gemim daing seu dire spada la Erina Marciana Maharuits telmatang Yusim Sato Mahatsko Sato marbibiringi mosubrar ad marangal gemim daing seu tel bula dinay tarong Chesili law machefri tarong memim daing seu tel bula dire spada la Vasilias kiwo Siskas kiwo McKinley Singeo Sielani remoto Reagan remoto mosubrar ad marangal gemim daing seu Chesi Targong, Ma Osmon Targong, Sandra Targong, Ngirabalau Sambal, Lisa Bleso, Patrick Aribuk marbibiringi memim daing seu tel bula dire spada la badura elgang Wilhelm Ramot ma ebir elgang Hana Ingaisa mosubrar ad marangal gemim daing seu dire spada la Sandra Tulmau Matema Clolad mosubrar ad marangal gemim daing seu tel albula dire spada la Albina Timarong Faustina Armaruk mosubrar ngal gemim daing seu tel albula ngara deng spada la ngiraw bisur kanay mosubrar ad marangal dire spada la orgosada Laurentino Long ma Felistao Long memim daing seu tel albula Ito Hideos Lisa Hideos Lali Hideos Artin Hideos Cherman Hideos Leleng Miguel Yoba Kathy Francisco Maui Miguel mosubrar ad marangal gemim daing seu tel albula ngiwaling spada la rangal gela gingsang ngiraprak marangal gela Hideo Targong dangal rolugod ma Isabela ngirmang mosubrar ad marangal Irayang spadala odal adrena ilus matadim kalistus ilus mosubrar ad marangal galgirel tel albula dirikal spadala rangal gela Yonat Rungula Cristina Arsenio ma Church Rungula Marichel Makasar at panging spadala martat itong mosubrar ad marangal gemim daing seu tel albula or yoreng spadala dir uldak o obketing iragit protegil la Hermana Siro diragargor no nalwi ngirabadel melwert mutul sa kawang Steven Kyota mosubrar ad marangal galgirel tel albula dirikal spadala Lester Ur Tokobet sa spadala ebidale amora marine gidatrang at molmer ngalgem na Ryan Teruo ma Cheral Teruo bigim kang seu tel albula dirikal tokobet sa spadala ebidale Maria Rur al morasie ora ma Basilias Kras memim kang seu tel albula pelilio ang spadala alo dil subsis adela Roman Ridef mosudra ad marangal Merci Sims marbibiringi memim kang seu tel albula Klamatela subda ulm trigel mlo digal mtong clear bol sab il may memim kang seu tel albula kom mal masulang ing potoka masang maser mabolakal sab emel may edin kalat krang lungu Tia subro agodal lo tobdringa I adal matengal arbo ilo siles ngira lulu ka Patrick aribuk ma Polonia siprit el subra rogol gim gaw adal adal regal belu kumabal sel aribuk ngalgela umay aribuk al maasra odilang ma aribuk ongos amlos mer ser February 19 2026 emlo ngawalurior la motrok la maldil el morngira March 6 2026 lo ngim lurior el di morngira Santos por hachapel ngarangat kibrairai lomur etiu klora total moswelbe tom del momdakro ol gul ngarabasang Oriora kim subra garubas Gabriel Adelbay ma o opera help esrak mo subra adade mem daging seu der albula Togobetsis padam ma mama moray budul ma bilong Gloria Sali mo subra bibir kamiu eme mo sukma merter albula Togobetsis padam nga kalbudul Patrick Aribuk ma dir akamur Apolonia Siprit amura abe Lorenzo Katosang madil odilang Edwina Katosang mo subra adad marmo madidaes el mem da alim daging seu ter albula Dirigal spadala dira vital ta Serafina wasisang mahustino boysek agi dirigal msubdi al ngitra ngal gilam la mosmer al agemi del virt roman meim daging seur telulbong al sungul ngal targi del merolang agi dirigal msubdi al ngitra benedicta kapagol ngotel al meim da alim daging seur tel al bula agi dirigal mal msubdi al ngitra ngal gilam le budul masaharu may desil Polanda molturra del meim gaw marudam ida alim daging seur tel al bula agi dirigal msubdi al ngitra gaw anania story biong meim da alim daging seu Aira blar esuroya kim subdrar dialul alunskota mo subdrar admarangal gemim daging seu at pang kim subdrar ngitraw rubiang hiromina beyama mo subdrar admarangal gemim daging seu ibo bang kim subdrar erinul ma law Isidoro ilomlong mo subdrar bebir rumiu emim dalim daging seu ter elbula ramlungoy spada lang ida dilub at tamir mong South Junior mau erut e5 elbelaw mau elbil lolang ramong saw marmo medidaes esabir Meim da alim daging seur ter elbula dirigal tobet spedek ngal Patrick Aribuk al moray la muruel madlutka ma ngrabrengel sepin tiop ma Josephat tiop madal mamra evira dapkar te saburo lo subdra adra lut meim da alim telul bong el sungula belsel el ngalgela umay or mengi Aribuk al maadibusra nongled prilio ang spadala yaad ma odal ad satski Florencio mo subdra adra gabliras aduira taliu meim da alim daging seur ter elbula tia dirigal mal tobet Dam al moramistiga ol grila meim dalim daging seur telma molmol sungul ngal targit agi diregal msudra siles ngiralul marangal gel marbe bidengi marangal gel obilio lo maraya adr matengal arboilo agi ol ngitang esur gaw marbe birgaw marangal gel amiot Andres marangal gel umay Aribuk marangal gel asol or mingi ngas pusu de meim dalim daging seur telul bong sungul ngal targit el maadi busra noled Trigil admam no di almdong clear mo sube sila kamol makita ng miu meim dalim daging seur ter albula hukmal msulang yer bakal Dios lo makal tanga trigid roguy sai na Patrick Aribuk
tial sube del muller reng stringi adiagal spedel ma diagal tigingel malub engul de suela dias broadcasting company tiang aspedirar adlul top dengi e haraorngi ko mal msulang
This is a Republic of Palau Ministry of Finance, Property and Supply Division public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Chief of Property and Supply Division is soliciting proposals from interested businesses or companies to supply 3 each drug detector dogs for the ROP. Specifications for needed items will be available after March 9, 2026. Interested businesses or companies may contact Ms. Charnel D. Sumang, Chief of Property and Supply Division, at the following address. Property and Supply Division, P.O. Box 6007, Koror, Palau 96940. Phone number 680-767-2552. Fax 680-767-1016 or email charnels@palaugov.org. This is funded by local fund and U.S. federal grant P26TRANSF1. Invitation for bid number IFB 13-26. Public notice is February 23rd, 2026 through March 9th, 2026. The bidding period is March 10th, 2026 to April 10th, 2026. The opening date will commence April 13th, 2026. Proposals or tenders must be submitted to the Property and Supply Division at the Bureau of National Treasury no later than 4 p.m. Palau time on April 10th, 2026, which is the closing date of this IFB. The IFB number as well as the company name must be clearly marked on the outside of the envelope. The procurement officer reserves the right to extend the opening date of said IFB, modify or cancel this notice, and reject non-conforming offers if it is deemed necessary.
Subdra al-dadu, Tia subdra tobdra nga iblu got trumen ngirmang el masubdra alda-adu rabi ila kinsiano lieb el mlamotro kolmongira March 6, 2026 lomura etiuklora tutaw el dimongira bayra maybrel ra orior. Magimsubde ol ngitrar bekel ra adamam rablay raw asbayra ngiwal el mo may madgay nga sew. Makmasubdra ngalgela bilung teryong, rangalgela satsko iyong, adangal ayos rulugd, rangalgela anemari Moses, ramelisa Moses, marbebiringi, rangalgela rungul, maabaab, rangalgela ngirmang ngiraybay, rangalgela idub ngirarigel, rangalgela okri tewid, rangalgela mira ngiraybay, rangalgela lieb rebelgul, rangalgela matrav kyosi, rangalgela ngartao idoong, speaker noa idoong, mosubdra ruudam marangal, emay madkay nga sew, rangalgela opkal rumong, mosubdra rangalgela siyang reirik, emay madkay nga sew, elmis masubda mosubdra bebi rakaw, emay madkay nga sew, direkal masubdra aleos yao, marangalgem, mosubdra bekal ad, emay madkay nga sew, tial aldadu. Ngiraybay Gregorio Rong, maodal adraybay, mosubdra bekal ad marangal graybay, emay madkay nga sew. At takubet sa speder, amora adalbay ray ati, Dwight Alexander, mamosubdra bekal adad, emay madaalim, edkay nga sew, tial albul. Ay liakal sub, amora ngiraged Joe Giramur, mangir ongor Rigi Maol, elkmo mosubdra bekal ad, emay madkay nga sew. Tigel mlo dekal madungang clear, emdengel kmo taadrablay raw asbay, rangiwal, may madakasawes edkay nga sew. Kompmal masulang rokuy, edid gausing, ebodgabte ertial sils edkay nga sew. Signed the Iblu Truman Ngirmang. Subdra aldadu. Tia subdra aldadu loltobdri nga ngiray derbay masasinge arurang. Iblu Truman Ngirmang mas argabur denis math. El masubdra rowil admam el ngaray galbaluwal kmo. A aldadu rabi ilatargi dragin siya no lieb. Amor ngira March 6, 2026 el Friday el sils. El omura etiuklora tutaw 9 a.m. Edi mor ngira bayra may berel ra orior. Magikmalol nitra admam el ngaray galbalu. Mamgas pasub de may madkay nga sew. Ngaralong ang spadala ngiraw rel the tiak rangul, mamosubdar adad marangalag emay madkay nga sewer tial maasang. Ngarar the ang spadala tuur kasu shiro, marangalgelamle dililaw sabetkel, rangalgelamle dililaw blorang ngirablos, Lydia ngirablos, Pastor Jacob ngirablos, marangalgela sakuma, marangalgelar door, marangalgela olngalel. Ngiwal ang spadalay blue Truman ngirmang, ilabro 6 Quadrilin ngirmang, Madrangayul Xavier Ngiramyong, Myokang Alfonso, Gregorio Ngirmang, Lorenza Olgeril, Mistiga O Pedro, Ruth A. Ngirmang, Augusta K. Bultadao, Happy Ngirakasaw, Norman Ngirakasaw, Christina B. Tulob, Jonathan Sabo Bultadao, Carson Silil, Diana Siang, Dean Ngirarigel, Sabet Hideki, Ilapsis Ngirakasaw, Maclarens Masayos. Malgayog ang spadala Raklay Rafael B. Ngirmang, Nginatraw Viviano Math, Sibong Clolad, Ma Francis Lieb. Ng esar ang spadala ngalgela Yugi Wong Hotel, mangalgelamle Ratur Abbas. Iray ang spadala ngalgela Tuat Matul, ila abis Keringel M. Marcelus, Alfonsa Bintorio, sa Argabur Denis Math, Elmis Masubda, Malunguyus Masubda, Daudalil Masubda, Emolin Masubda, Pubeo Masubda, Nancy Ngirarigel, Humiana M. Rangul, Mashelbi Masami. Orior, rangalgelamle Rangem, El Maiser Ramasi, Ebil Raider Bay Brangye Masami, Masahiro Daniel, Sofia M. Sid, Diraete Goretti M. Erbay, Yustap Paloy, Joyce Antonio, Lucia Tiyano, Allen Takada, Magdalena S. Georung, Dwight Masami, Augustin Masayos, Russ Masayos, Ethel Arurang, Aileen Arurang Hawk, Pei Arurang, Steve Arurang, Matthew Arurang, Marciano Rungul, Allen Takada, Spis Sakuma, Chesi Sakuma, Herdialul Rumong, Chesi Rumong, Ma Armstrong U. Devilbot. Miyun sa ang spadalangir ongor Ricky Maol, Madiliklep ngariam rulukd, mamosubdar adad marangal ngartial masang. Balilyaw ang spadalangiragi del Joe Giramur, madiragi del Marta Giramur, mamosubdar adad marangal ngartial masang. Ngayaw ring spadalaw Erbalaw Lorenzo Eduard, Madil Balaw, mamay madagay nga sewer tial masang. Kompmal masulang, yal nga niya modiakal sa Belel May, edidakalat karang lungu. Marubakal Dios, lolmol malamakal tangat tergi del Rokuy. Signed, Ngiraider Bay Masasinge Arurang, Iblug Truman Ngirmang, sa Argabur Denis Math. Subdra Aldadu. Kaya subdra Aldadu alda-du loltobdringa yu toribyong makreos mangiratqaw Vivianomad el masubdra alda-du rabi ilagin siya no lieb ra orib okodeb lieb el mlosmer sera February 3, 2026 lamot tergo kolmoringa alda-du ringira March 6, 2026 elongay imlurior edi moringira bayra may brel orior elomura 8 o'clock 9 a.m. ratutaw el moyetasils malwaise agik malolngit subdra rogwil adamam el kmomay madgay nga sewertial alda-du rabi ilagin siya no lieb el ngalgela targid ramotil lieb mamalgayok agim subdra ngalgelamle dilsosaw klaulbay kadoy rangiray galaw anserm kadoy tobd kadoy hanenore kadoy madiro ogbay root k talay mamkaspasubde may madgay nga sew aktirek kalmasubdra ngalgelamle orugay rabalgul ubday rakoskasi Alfonsa Bintorio taareng rabalgul Helena rabalgul Malahikel Emiliano rabalgul Macheson rabalgul momosubdra rebekal adad agidirekal tokubet selmsubdra kawal Domingo Karay mamaasal Sibong Klolad Elisa Sapangyol mamgaspasubda edirekal mosubdra bebirigid el ngalgela iligay lool el ngarangiwal may madgay nga sewertial alda-du agidirekal mosubdra kawal Senator Brian Malayray marudam ra adorangira molaw Maria Basilius Agitaya mamosubdra adad may madgay nga sew agidirekal mosubdra kawal madaltabang Leong ngirayngas mamang dibetamol ngirayngas mosubdra bebiragmiw may madgay nga sew agidirekal mosubdra ngalgela ngirawlaw mad ratami ngirawlaw Immaculada ngirawlaw matalawlged Joyce ngiraitay may madgay nga sew ertial alda-du direkal spada la adasula Francis Lieb manangalgem Mama Queen Lieb Jacinta Lieb mapriska Lieb ngirdangol mamosubdra bekal ngal nga may madgay nga sew tokubetsel spadam amergawal rangul biguris nga barda madiraryo Marta Ruur mamosubdra adadra blayra Baul Bay may madgay nga sew atokubet sa iliakal spadam amasubdal mergawal maasal Basilisa Targong manangalgem mamay madgay nga sew ertial alda-du rabi ilang algela targidra motil lieb atokubet sa spadek nga kalyu utoribyong makreos amasubdal kawal oligong ralangil altoto talay dira abibay mardial madirat nger blanda blesam mamosubdra ngal grablay ralangil may madgay nga sew ertial alda-du rabi ilagin siya no lieb dira kaltokubet sa spadek nga kalyu utoribyong makreos amasubdal kawal oligong kalebra elbang ngirakum ramalsol nobuwo Ramangruang Solomon Nobuwo ma Ilwaiti Linda Raalbang Wadalad LC Directory Miriam Johannes Madirangungil Cindy Ruur mamgaspasub de may madgay nga sew Oryo ragim subdrakawal dirangas setsko tuur mamosub darangalgela too oib marangalgela ebil berel may madgay nga sew ertial alda-du agidirekal masub darangalgela Merti Sunday Rasinesio Sunday Angelina Sunday mamosub darangalgela agemi dalbirt may madgay nga sew ertial alda-du rab ilagin siya no lieb agidirekal masub darakawal Tamir Ngirbadul Howard KC, Mawayland KC, mamosub dararubakmiw may madgay nga sew ertial alda-du ang klam nga tela sub daw ul mablolakan madungang klem ilakabol maknitarngum may madgay nga sew ertial alda-du rab ilanggal targid ragin siya no lieb ra orib ako deb lieb kumpmal masulang ya Dios lolmol malom aliwrigid signed yu toribyong makreos ngiratakaw Vivianomad subdra alda-du ra orib lieb elbi ilagin siya no lieb tia subdra osisiul alda-du rab ilagin siya no lieb ra orib loltob dringak saw Noah sa Araymul rami Yosua Aberdong sa amlong tat ngira mangyor rungul vigaris nga barda yu toribyong makreos ngiray galaw anserm gadoy singanari nakamura magreglobak yonat tulmaw law ay sarbe kaladama malkmo alda-du ra orib elbi ila targid ragin siya no lieb amlamot terko kalmoringira March 6, 2026 longayim lurior el moringira bayra maybrel el ngaramadalai ra orior alway se agim sub de olngitanges urgamil admam el ngaray galbalu angiwal agim sub de olngitanges urangalgela ritang marangalgir amalgeo agim sub de olngitanges urangalgela diralmaw marangalgir rangalgelamle dilsaksaw kalalbay kadoy marngalgir marngalgila Sofia Blayos. Ang esa ragim subdra ngalgila nga sa among marngalgir. Agidira kalmasub de olngi tange sura Robalgul Felix Osilek maebil ra dalang abiyang misako mereb. Kompmal masulang yaruba kaldios lobangged elumaknal tanga targid rokoy. Signed Ksaw Noah sa Raimul. Subdra aldadu. Kya subdra aldadu laltob dringa kolebas Aloysius Talay Ruul the Arnold Oilo ngiratakaw Viviano Mad ngiraingas Villani Thomas Buikiad Jefferson Thomas el masubdra rokoy adamam algire la aldadu rabi ila targidra Kinsiano Lieb el ngalgela motil Mad Lieb el mlamos merabil ra Loyola Orib Kodeb. Malway say el mlamotorok la aldadu el dimoringira ongay melurior el elol malgabsingil el alonge del buil Friday March 6, 2026 el dimoringira bayra maybrel orior el omu ra etiul clock ratutaw 9 a.m. el moyata sils. Malway say yarbet el admamak malspad el girel tial aldadu. Amal gayo kagim subdra delegate Silverius O. Atalay, Hosea Sumang, Bekaldil Agemi Thomas, Abbas Kyoko Sumang, Stella Octol Talay, Rur Albalaw Talay, Tina Octol, Ostenso Octol, Apollo Octol, Dallas Octol, Emar Dial Cleofas, Ephraim Tosiwo, Besi Albalaw Malayrey, Ngarbay Boysek Talay, Jeff Tewid, Trustee Boysek, Clifton Boysek, Antonio Frederick, Gerungil Talay Macreos, Aloysia Paloy, Arti Talay, Ma Medrang Talay, Santini Bad Thomas, may madakay nga sew. Agidirek kalmasubdra, Tami Ngirawlaw, Joyce Talaw Ngiraitay, Madasul Francis Lieb, Ngaspasubde may madakay nga sew tial aldadu, rab ila targidra Ginsiano Lieb. Direk kalspadala Sadaria Sumang Alidadong, Mainglor the Sumang ngirungay, ngaspasubde may madakay nga sew. Agidirek kalmasubdra ngalgelar albang uel, Raoligong Caleb Albang, Iluwail T. Lindar Albang, Madirangar Kungil Cindy Albang Ruur. Tadira kalspadala ngalgela karuraw, Rat Kadasaw Morales Ramaruy, Ebilt Kadasaw Marian Ramaruy, Mamgaspasubda Arangalgra karuraw, may madakay nga sewer tial aldadu. Ang esa ragim subdra Lily Oilo, Madenis Oilo, Patrick Oilo, Mamgaspasubda may madakay nga sew. Ngirabay Matthew Elbalaw, mamosubdra ngalgem, may madakay nga sew. Agidirek kalmasubdra Billy Naruo, Umay Naruo Rubas, Ertung Lisa Watanabe, may madakay nga sew at aalimertial aldadu. Agidirek kalmasubdra ngalgela Omngil, Radirat Nger Blandar Dial Blesam, Joseph Tiob, Makabrina Idib, mamosubdra Bebir Ramiw, Marbekalad, may madakay nga sew tial aldadu. Agidirek kalmasubdra ayaw or the ort koil, mamosubdra adad marangal, may madesa tial aldadu. Ayray agim subdra dirangas setsko tuur, marangalgelam leruul del Raymond Rablud, Rabeti Rablud Inasyo, Maetabay Rablud, marangalgelam le ragaril al tiakla boysek, Rahermana tiakla Watanabe, mamosubdra bebi ragaw may madakay nga sew. Direkal spadala sa ayang riirey, Machoy Matthew Yobo. Agidirek kalmasubdra ngalgelam leruul ngir nga sa ay Rablud, Radirangar blunt Deborah Nakata, Marbebi Rakaw, may madakay nga sewer tial aldadu. Agidirek kalmasubdra, Dirakos kasi Alfonsa Bintorio, marangalgem, may madakay nga sew. Agidirek kalmasubdra ngalgela, Tau Oib, Ra Julia Oib, Lucia Oib, Gloria Oib, Maur Oib, may madakay nga sew. Agidirek kalmasubdra, Ungil, Ringil, Mesabab Marino, Masayang Lasamdiw Riirey, may madakay nga sew. Agidirek kalmasubdra ngalgela Namigo Dalmel, Radelfita Dalmel, Marbek Kalad, may madakay nga sew tial aldadu, Rab ila targidra Ginsiano Lieb, Ra Loyola Orib Kodeb, El Mlamosmer. Aoryo ragim subdra Jackie Elbalaw Masang, Valerie William Mabel, Antonina Tuur Hideos, Brins Brel, Pratchard Ngiralmaw, Marubi Ngiralmaw, Mamgaspasubde may madakay nga sew. Agidirek kalmasubdra, Rungulaw Aloysius Alons, Ngirmang Richard Alons, mamosubdra bebi ramiw, may madakay nga sew. Serabi Sato, Madangalay de Belbot, Senofia de Belbot, Lucy Tangalbad, Marbebi Rakaw, Mamgaspasubde may madakay nga sew, tial aldadu. Agidirek kalmasubdra Veronica Antonio, Sheila Sakuma, Kayobla Sakuma, Makaylin Sakuma, may madakay nga sew. Agidirek kalmasubdra ngalgela tewid boysek, rasatrunino tewid, Angeles tewid Napoleon, Magilat tewid, mosubdra ngalg may madakay nga sew. Agidirek kalmasubdra Judson Ninu Bultabay, mamspediam asel tirariu kalista yamanguchi, malosubdra ngalg may madakay nga sew tial aldadu, rabi ila o aled ragin siya no liyeb. Agidirek kalmasubdra dirasa aduy huyugo hiroichi marangalgel. Agidirek kalmasubdra ngalgira ngalgel amle kolebas ngiraipang Ramarchi baab, Mamarlon baab, mamkaspasub de may madakay nga sew. Ang ramlunguy ang espada ngiraklang chance kabong, mamosubdra adad may madakay nga sew. Agidirek kalmasubdra itarir okotol moded, masimane William France, artial aldadu, mamay madakay nga sew. Ang klamngatel asub daw ul, material adamamal mlodyaklobas ang clear, adyakabol makita renrir, may madakay nga sew, elgut maklitial aldadu, rabi ila targid ragin siano liyeb, el dibusera dalong led. Tial aldadu rabi ila targid ragin siano liyeb, raloyola orib okodeb, adimoringira Friday, March 6, 2026, elomura etiulklora tutaw, 9 a.m., el moyatasils, el dimoringira bayra maybrel, el ngara orior. Nklo atret ramam asang, mar adamam almodekal sa barir el may, akmal diungil basul, madidakalat karang lungu. Adios, bolos abak, lelo maknaltangat tergid rokuy. Signed, Kolebas Aloysius Talay, Raul the Arnold Oilo, Ngiratakaw Viviano Math, Ngiraynga Sevillani Tomas, Puikiat Jefferson Thomas. Subdra aldadu. O sisiul subdra aldadu aloltob niya Raseng Ignacio Anastasio, Ngiratakaw Viviano Math, Madraydub Eliser Ngotel, Ngirongor Erbay Yugiwo, Dirabis Madrey Kotaro, Madiltakaw Sariang King, Elkmo aldadu rabi ilatargid ragin siano liyeb, amlamotorho kulmoringira ongay malurior March 6, 2026, el di moringira bayra maybrel ngar orior, lomura etiuklok ratutaw, 9 a.m. Magim subdar kamiur adamamal ngaraygal balu. All agim subdar gaw likriged raidis Joe Raklay, maebil raidis Lucy Matsutaro, mo subdar bekal adad may madakay nga sew. Ngarar dagim subdar gaw Andrew Shiro, ngiraw Bishur Kanay, ebil rat igbay, mo subdar bekal adad may madakay nga sew. Ngiwa lagim subdar gaw sa Argabur Dennis Mad, manangalgelamle Sigasol Inasyo Sadang, manangalgelamle Titay Ebil Lawrence, manangalgela Tulmaw, Radiray Madoyu Mercy Olgril, mosubdar bebir kamiw may madakay nga sew. Agidirek kalmusubdar ngalgiran ngalgelamle ngiratakaw rungul rigabal, mosubdar ngalgiw may madakay nga sew. Malgayok ang spadala ngirasa asong Kyosi Talay, peekaldil Agemi Thomas, manangalgela Serang Antonio, manangalgela Moses Blaluk, Raayola Blaluk, marbebi ringi, may madakay nga sew. Agidirek kalmusubdar kawal sa Arulwong Teodor Rungulbay, mosubdar bebi rakaw may madakay nga sew. Agidirek kalmusubdar ngalgelamle ebil raklay umay, makal oligong Polycarp Basilius, mosubdar bebi rakamiw may madaalim madakay nga sew. Ng esar ang spadala ngalgelamle rasengla ngiraywalngul Anastasio, manangalgelamle dirabis Losaw Ngotel, mamay madakay nga sew. Agidirek kalmusubdar malik raywalngul Justinar Maruy, Hermanar Maruy, Margaret Emasyo, Ira Albad Matthew Albalaw, rangalgela Yugiwo Ngotel, rangalgelamle Madraydub Saito Baudong, agidirek kalmusubdar kaul Goreti Wasisang, Mary Basyo, Cloyd Martin, Lloyd Martin, manangalgelamle Atur Sudo Moses, mosubdar bebi rakamiw may madakay nga sew at aali mertial masang. Agidirek kalmusubdar rangalgelamle ngasngasew, Ana Ngirkalaw, mamay madakay nga sew. Ngaramlanguy agim subdar kaul ngiraklang chance kabong, mosubdar adad may madakay nga sew. Agidirek kalmusubdar kaul ngirasibong Lakyus Malsol, makawal Margaret Grete Williams, mamayreng Malsol, may madakay nga sew at aalim. Ay mali, agidirek kalmusubdar kaul Sherlyn Madraisaw, mamaringem Rapoli, may madaalim at kay nga sew. Agidirek kalmusubdar kaul Sharon Kiru Ramot, mamay madakay nga sew. Ayray agim subdar kaul ngiraged yugi wodongokla, diray warey fuana ngirataagi, mosubdar bebi rakamiw may madakay nga sew. Oryo ragim subdrakal wadal adhibu malsol, iged shalom episong, tulik Alfonso Diaz, mo subdrar adad may madaalim edray nga sew. Direklo sisil sub da morgawal choice en ngira itay, tami ngirawlaw, immaculadar ulda, Bailey Urbano, mo subdrar bebi rakmiw may madray nga sew. Agi direkal masubdrar ngalgela otong hotel. Miyun sa gim subdrakal spasung la masawo bedor, to siye kildermens, raabay, mamosubdrar bebi rakmiw, mar adad may madray nga sew. Palilyaw agim subdrakal Lorraine Urbano, mamay madaalim edray nga sew. Ngayaw ragim subdrakal Werbalaw Lorenzo Eduard, mamosubdrar bebi rakaw, marangalgela Maria Ramlig, may madray nga sew. Iliak leto betel spadela Sul Francis Lieb, Amora Sabo Uloong, may madaalim edesatial al sungula targid, ragin siano Lieb. Klamatela sub daw ul, marmlodekal madungang clear, lakabol makita rir. Malbato kam asang, maser, markuk modekal sa barirel may, vidakalat karang lungu. Kompmal masulang, ay adios lolmol malamakngal tangat targid rokoy. Signed, Raseng Ignacio Anastasio, ngiratakaw Viviano Mav. Subdra aldadu. Tia subdra aldadu loltob dringang ngirmang Moses Ludong, may sabong murako osyar, el masubdra roko il adra kablil rang armadl, rabalura malgayok, eloya kay geledel blay er tial gablil, el tulungal gara masngapang, matulungal gara iplay, matulungal gara talel. Aldadu rab ila targid ragin siano, el ngalgela motil maliyeb, el mledasul rakablil rang armadl, amoringira Friday lelol malgabsingil ongye del buil, March 6, 2026. Tel aldadu adi moringira bayra maybrel el ngar orior lomura etu klora tutaw 9 a.m. Marbekel adar tel gablil matulungal garngi el adamam el ngarabalur belaw aspadle ontial el may madaalim edgay ngasew. Mamalgayok a Pastor Hubert Alus maruudam marualem aspadle. Roman Madenis o Mangar maruudamiw marangalgiw. Rangalgel ongulung lililaw masamgel masayrong maruudamiw marualem marangalgiw. Henaro paloy, kamadaol mapatrik tale, ratulungal gratale, marbebi ramiw, marangalgiw. Asubdra aldadu rab ilagin siya no lieb, adirikal morar adra tulungal graiblay, elultimukrar ngalgela sireng milol, martang tagesi, mayohana singewo, maruudamiw marangalgiw. Yang iwal, ang irmang may sabong, amsubdra, ngiraiderbay sabo bultadab, marualem maruudam marangalgiw. Sigasol Alfonso Lool marangalgem. Ngiraiderbay masasinge arurang, marualem, maruudam, marangalgiw. Yang esa ng espadala Rosie Saburo, mamosubdra tulungal garaged, el blay rangerbis. Reedabae ananya sa bultadab, maruudam marangalgiw. May madakay nga se, wertial aldadu rab ilagin siya no lieb. Arangalge laulang oilo, el Lili, Dennis, Patrick Ma-Arnold oilo, marbebi ramiw, marangalgir aspadle ong tial may madakay nga sew. Yar adamam kira alsel orior el spadala, adiraprak al Elisita Morey, mangirasu Gregorio Ngirmang, marbebi ramiw marangalgiw. Mihaynar dial la marangalgel, Kosgasi Alfonsa Bintorio marangalgel, Serabi Sato, Sinobu Lauren sa marangalgiw, Leticia Alonso, Aloysius Alonso marbebi ramiw marangalgiw, Lucy Tangalbad marbebi rakaw marangalgiw. Rangalgel amle Bil Adalbay Serang Tamingil Smul, Maodal ra Ngiraw Bataur, Johannes Tamingil, marbebi rakaw marangalgiw. Tareng Rabalgul Gustav, marbebi rakaw marangalgiw. Jerome Tamingil maruudam marualem. Richard Tongol maruudam marangalgiw. Yay malig yang irmang may sabong amasubadra kulaudal teruor ngulbay, maruudam marualem marangalgiw, ertial masang, olngit mamay madaalim edgay ngasew. Yablilyo eng spadalangas kasuk, matres olgaril, mamosubdar adad, ertial gamaldil, may madakay ngasew. Arbek kal adamam, aldimlakal tobdang clear, langklamotela subdaw ul, akmal spadal, ongtial, almay madaalim, edgay ngasew, ertial, alsungula targid, ragin siya no lieb. Signed, Ngirmang Moses Ludong.
Tial subdal mula reng sirngi, Adiagal Spadel, Madiagal Tigingel, Malub, Engul de Suel at Yes Broadcasting Company, Tiang Aspadirar Adlul Topdangi, Eharaorngi, Kohmal Mesulang.
WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Hello, Palau. This is Diaz Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PGST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang. WWFM is owned and operated by Diaz Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Ngermid Hamlet, broadcasting on two different frequencies, 88.5 megahertz and 89.5 megahertz 24/7 with a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter. WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station. Ali ngariya malor udul subde de katememel mera radio station madagulngit mamay im masugaw makot egdilu si aspren eloya a cellphone mal open den wargaw e waisen muk ngomur o ingrang e momrekor o ingrang etela times ratal si se sign ringi esendringi either moya ka fax mora 4884420 malub ke sendringi loya ka email mora wwfmpalau@gmail.com ega mama recorderingi erulia invoice sendringi le korkau e auriul ega meharau ali malya moves loya den wargau le chospe eringi elo aisergau maloba nganya harma raspedem e aki call seguir the number e mando du urgarau era ki bomrek mru raspedem ko man sulang. Did you know that MBTV is now broadcasting on YouTube? Yes, sirree. Just type in Diaz Broadcasting Company, click it, and enjoy all shows. Don't forget to click on subscribe in order for us to stay on internet. Yes, MBTV on YouTube. WWFM is now accepting your business 24/7. Just simply call us at 488-5771 from 7:30 to 5 p.m. or 488-2177 or 775-0441 after working hours.
Oisine. What do you mean, oisine? Oh, correct. Asahi Super Dry. Number 1. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh, and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. In PI, I tell you, pare, we drink it too because it's number 1. In Palau, we drink it too because you know why it's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. Akarakuchi Island beer, Asahi Super Dry, number 1.
Looking for Palauan oldies or American oldies or latest music? WWFM Music Store is open to serve you. You can now make your own personalized CD or download music to your iPod, MP3 player, USB, and cell phone. WWFM Music Store is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Call 488-5771 for more information. You're listening to station WWFM. Stay tuned for Fox News.
Systematic destruction. I'm Lisa Brady, Fox News. That's how Secretary of State Marco Rubio describes the U.S. and Israeli operation targeting Iran's missile program and Navy, and he says even more is on the way.
We're going to really begin to perceive a change in the scope and in the intensity of these attacks as, frankly, the two most powerful air forces in the world take apart this terroristic regime and defang it and take away its ability to threaten its neighbors.
Rubio also says it was President Trump's decision to act after appearing to suggest yesterday that Israel was poised to strike, forcing the president's hand. President Trump says he might have forced Israel's hand and that he believes striking first prevented an attack by Iran.
We were having negotiations with these lunatics, and it was my opinion that they were going to attack first. They were going to attack if we didn't do it.
The president speaking during a White House meeting with the German chancellor, Secretary of State Rubio taking questions before heading into a Senate briefing on Iran, also telling reporters more than 9,000 Americans have left the Middle East in the past few days, and around 1,600 are currently requesting assistance. The State Department working on military and charter flights where commercial flights are not an option. France now sending an aircraft carrier to the Mediterranean to help protect Allied assets. President Trump says if necessary, the U.S. Navy will start escorting tankers through the Strait of Hormuz, where a fifth of the world's oil passes. As oil prices rise, gas prices spiking overnight in the U.S., up 11 cents per gallon in AAA's average.
Gas prices were already rising before the U.S. launched strikes on Iran because refiners are switching to summer blends of fuel. And then crude oil prices rose sharply because of the Iran conflict and concerns the war will disrupt production and delivery.
Fox's Jenny Cosola. President Trump says he thinks oil prices will drop once fighting ends. The Dow finishing down 403 points at the bell after dropping more than 1,000 this morning. America's listening to Fox News. After reports the U.S. consulate in Dubai was hit by a drone, Secretary Rubio just confirming it was a parking lot nearby that got hit. This follows a drone attack on the U.S. embassy in Saudi Arabia. But a senior U.S. military source tells Fox's Jennifer Griffin waves of Iranian missiles have slowed down significantly.
And that is likely because of the joint U.S.-Israeli strikes on those missile launchers. The drones is a different story because they are much harder to detect and easier to launch from the backs of trucks and disguise those launches.
Earlier today, Israel going after more high-ranking Iranians.
A senior Israeli official has told Fox News that Iran's assembly of experts has been hit by an airstrike, just as the Council of Senior Shia Clerics was voting to choose Iran's next supreme leader. Images appear to show the building in the city of Qom has been severely damaged. Meanwhile, Saudi Arabia is understood to be very close to sending its air force to strike targets in Iran. Fox News has been told that an Iranian attack on Daman, the fifth largest Saudi city, is being seen as crossing a line.
Fox's Jonathan Savage. Minnesota takes the Trump administration to court over frozen Medicaid payments.
The lawsuit seeks a temporary restraining order after Vice President J.D. Vance said last week that the administration would
temporarily halt certain amounts of Medicaid funding that are going to the state of Minnesota in order to ensure that the state of Minnesota takes its obligations seriously to be good stewards of the American people's tax money.
Fraud in Minnesota that federal prosecutors have alleged could top $9 billion. Jeff Manasso, Fox News.
Minnesota warning it may have to cut health care for low-income families if the funding is held back. Recapping stocks, the Dow drops more than 400, the NASDAQ down more than 200, but pairing heavier losses. I'm Lisa Brady. This is Fox News.